Today I'm going to be walking in Larchmont Village, which is just a real cozy community of little boutiques and restaurants and all kinds of fun stuff. So let's go. The village starts at about 1st Street in Larchmont and goes down to Beverly Boulevard. I haven't been down here for a long time. The last time was probably in the 80s, and I can tell you a lot has changed. It's almost a mini Montana Avenue with high-end shops, cool bistros, and lots of shoppers. Larchmont Village was established in 1921 by a man named Julius Labont. Many residents moved west from downtown to get away from the hustle and bustle, and were looking for places to live away from all the noise. The Los Angeles Railroad yellow car ran down the street, making it convenient for residents to get to other parts of the city. It's located in a diverse area of town. It's within walking distance of Hancock Park and the Los Angeles Country Club to the west. It's also not far from Paramount Studios to the north and East Hollywood, including Little Bangladesh, to the east. The Center for Yoga has been in Larchmont for as long as I can remember. The village hosts several festivals throughout the year, including the Larchmont Village Arts Festival in May. On the weekends, you'll find lots of vendors set up in pop-ups on the street. Levain Bakery has been in Larchmont for 25 years and is famous for its cookies. It always has a long line. Don't worry about finding a place to eat down here. There are plenty of munchies. Larchmont Village Wine, Spirits, and Cheese is a popular place, and they have yummy sandwiches you can take with you. Holy Grail Donuts is popular too, although I think these guys should lay off the donuts a little, don't you think? There were so many yummy places to eat I couldn't decide, but I ended up at the Burger Lounge and had a grass-fed burger with truffles, and it was super good. I love this cool mural in one of Larchmont's public parking lots. This clock was donated to Larchmont by the Rotary Club in 2005. Larchmont Village has always attracted a variety of residents, including artists, professionals, and families. Surrounding it is a unique blend of architectural styles, from craftsman bungalows to Spanish colonial revival homes. So if you want to take a walk in Los Angeles, come to Larchmont, and don't just stick to the main business section. Take a walk through the neighborhood too. It's gorgeous.